Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Kevin Orbert, awarded the AMS seal of approval by the American Meteorological Society.
Saturday evening and a little bit of rain showing up here on the Storm Team Fury. Here's Charleston, Illinois, and we have this thunderstorm, just a small one, kind of a little donut-shaped one, which tells me that it could have some thunder and lightning and maybe some gusty wind in that, but it doesn't last very long. But it has stayed, for the most part, pretty much in the same spot. There's not a whole lot of guidance in the upper atmosphere, at least at this point, to shove storms along. So we are watching storms. We're tracking them as much as possible, but once again, they're kind of hard to track because they just kind of drift around here and there. But I think that what we'll find as we get into the evening hours and during the nighttime, that these little showers and thunder showers will pop up. That's why we're going to have scattered thunder showers in the forecast. There is some more organized rain back out here in Missouri. See it right here as it starts to cross the Mississippi River. And we also have some weather up here in the northern part of Indiana. And that's not going to affect us. We might keep an eye on what's happening out here in Missouri. It's 82 in Terre Haute. Rockville has 83, Paris 82. If we had had more sunny conditions today, I think probably the temperature would have gotten a little warmer, a little hotter. For example, in Lagodi, where the sun is out, it's 87. Vincennes has 86, 88 in Olney. Wind speed, again, just a very, very light breeze, 5-7 miles per hour, certainly no more than 10 miles per hour. If you get close to a thunderstorm, you might get some gusty wind, but that will be the exception rather than the rule. 72 is the dew point, which means we have some moisture in the air that we could maybe make a thunderstorm, and the relative humidity is 72%. Right now it's 77 in Kansas City, Dallas 106, San Antonio 103. Western part of Texas, there's a little town called Robert Lee, Texas, and they are in dire straits. They're now having to ship water in. They're having to move water in because they turn on the faucets and nothing is coming out. It's a real tragedy, and it doesn't look as though there's going to be any great relief coming up for Texas anytime soon. What actually is kind of a double-edged sword, but what we need is a good old tropical storm to come in and start to bring in some moisture into parts of Texas, but I don't see that happening. What we do have is a cold front going through, and that's why I think for the soccer game tomorrow, the weather should be okay. It'll be partly cloudy with the daytime high tomorrow about 85 degrees or so, and then we get into Monday and it looks like a halfway decent day as well. We may have to look for some rain toward the middle part of the week. 66, scattered thunder showers tonight, about a 40% chance. Partly cloudy tomorrow, high of 85. Tomorrow night, partly cloudy and 59. And the 7-day forecast, Monday 85, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A small chance for some rain each day, and a high each day in the mid-80s. Overnight lows in the 60s, and just a tad cooler as we get into Friday and Saturday. You know, this is now, we're into the last third of August, and we've only gotten 0.8 of an inch of rain. So it continues to be quite dry, at least here at the TV station. Some have gotten more. Some people get like 2 inches at a time, but it'd be nice to spread it all out.
Yeah, I've seen some brown lawns and that kind of thing, so
that
it's
would be
definitely
mine.
needed. Yeah.
Yes, that would be mine. Yeah.
All right, thanks, Kevin.